Hello IT friends, today we're gonna show this to you. Finally the parcel is arrived. I think we believe this is for our phone casing. Sorry, I just have to delete the details here. Open it earlier. It's the phone casing here for the new Samsung phone. Okay, it's from somewhere. Spur Street, Greenville, Victoria, Australia. This is the phone casing look like. They're nicer, better than the other one. Yeah, they put that one on this. This Samsung Galaxy that I'm using now, so for vlogging. So this is the brand new one, clear one, and beautiful plastic. It's better than the one that we bought last time. Look at this, guys. It's threaded now. See? There is no housing anymore in the middle. And it's different than this. Nice and clear. This is nice, kind of tough. Don't have to thread it in the middle. See? Okay, we're happy for that. Okay, sit aside that for now. And the good news, another good news, after been one month at least waiting for this before the coronavirus really getting worse here and before the lockdown here, we ordered this online. I believe it came from Wickham Road, Victoria. That's in Victoria, Australia as well. Bear with me. Here guys, we ordered this online. We believe this is like more than $1 each, and it's a 50 pieces of surgical mask, because in the shop can't find anywhere this surgical mask anywhere in the supermarket or anywhere in the shopping mall. So we're so happy we bought this one somewhere in the online shopping, and finally after 1 month we just really waiting for this, and here it is now. So like finally, yes, look at this. And we were so happy. We need to protect ourselves for this now, and also guys, the social distancing too. Have to obey the government, so we are in this together, so we have to support. Alright, so this one, a good thing for this, it's only single use. Disposable mask without glass fibers, hypoallergenic, very low resistance, UV breathing, nose bar adaptable, high filtration capacity, and perfect fitting. That's it. This is the surgical mask, 50 pieces. I don't understand these words here. It's a kind of Chinese words. It is a 17.5 centimeter fly. This one was sold. It's good thing this is sold. So that's it for today, guys. We just would like to share you about unboxing today, and we were so glad we finally find this and order this in the shop online. Okay? See how cute is that one? Beautiful. Be safe, everyone, and keep your family safe too. And remember the social distancing. We have to obey that. So stay safe, guys, and I hope to see you again here soon. So please support each other, and we will do the same for you too, guys. ML Chelskie here from Australia. Thank you, everybody. Please support everyone. If you are not subscribing in our YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe and give us a thumbs up and likes, or even share to your friends and family, so everyone happy. Thank you, guys. Be safe, everyone. So I told you, always be safe and always taking care of yourself. Take the vitamin C or anything, vitamins that you can take to boost our immune system. Thank you, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.